and slow disk operation. Our main goals today are understand how the DPMS produce correct result is every time, minimize the execution cost, optimize the CPU, memory and disk. So every time search or something in the database like all orders from last month or all customers for Chennai, the database performance series of step by to gives us the result quickly. To behind the scenes work in the called query processing. So query processing is a fundamental function of a database management system that defines how user queries are interpreted, optimized and executed to retrieve the data efficiency. Data efficiency. It makes a database faster, reduce the load, help user get result without waiting to long time. By selecting the optimal execution storage, data data processing reduce the response time and ensure effective utilization of the system resources such as a CPU, memory and disk. So next one is the introduction. So introduction is a modern database, large volume of data stored and accessed by the multi-users simultaneously. Choreographing process ensure that user queries are handled correctly and experience. The managed concurrent to access the whole data continuously. The optimization query execution is reduce the workload. Next is the need for the database. Why database is used? A database grow in size and complexity efficient query processing is required to reduce the response time, optimizes resource use and provide the accurate result. A query processing system may be experience a delay, high memory consumption and expensive disk input output operation. The query processing helps us the DPMS is effectively and support a large number of concurrent users. Next is here, what is a query? A query is a formal request written in a query language. Is a SQL query language more than SQL query is used to the database. The first one is a retrieve, insert, update, delete, more than queries. For one example for the query, select star from student where marks greater than 80. This query is used to retrieve all details of student who scored more than 80 marks. So next one example to update query. So update the employee salary is here set 35,000. The query is here. The table name is employee. So query is update. So query the SQL query is here. The update employee set salary equal to 35,000 where employee I equal to 101. So modify executing the database. So this query is used to set the salary is 35,000 in employee ID 101. So next is here query processing. So query processing is here translate to high level SQL query into low level operation in the access the data storage. So example, submit the query, select the name from employee where department equal to HR. The DPMS first process the query, converts into the relational algebra expression. Next is optimize the execution plan and retrieve the required data from the disk. So first one is pass the query. So second one is converts into the relational algebra expression. So third one is optimize the query execution plan and the retrieves the recorded data from the disk. So finally, the query processing is there. Some same query is executed the most efficient to the while producing the correct result. So next one here, objective of the query processing. So main objective of the query processing is here produce a correct result, minimize the execution cost, and the efficient utilization of the CPU, memory, and the disk resources. So only example of the objective query. So when executing the query, select star from student where roll number equal to 10. The database use can the index on the roll number instead of scanning the entire table. So this reduce the input output operation, speed up query execution, and use the system resources more efficiently. Next, users involved. So query processing support different users such as application program, database administration, and interact with the database system. So one example for the end user may execute a simple select query to view records, while an application program may use a complex queries to generate the reports. So most similarly to the database administration uses query to monitoring performance, manage data, and maintain the database efficiency. So next is a pass of query processing. So query processing is divided in a four major phases. First one is a parsing, second one is a translation, third one is a optimization, fourth one is a evaluation. Evaluation. This passes performance to the convert a high level query into a efficient in the execution. So step-by-step approach help to the database reduce the execution cost and improve the performance and ensure accurate query result. So this is the overall architecture of the query processing. So for SQL query to be the database management system is the literally and interact with the storage management and retrieve the data of the query. So first one is a SQL query. So SQL query move to the query. So first going to parser and translator. So parser and translator. So parser is a syntax and a semantics. So parser is how to working the DPMS, first checking the table and checking the column and checking the condition. So it is created the parse tree. A parse tree like a tree like structure that show the logical structure of the query. So second one is the optimization. What is optimization? Then after parsing database query is moved to the optimization. Optimization is working to the how to execute the query efficiently. Efficiently. There can be many ways to get the same result, but some ways to the faster. So next one is here execution. Next one is here execution. Execution is carries out the plan. This is the main key points to it retrieves the data from the table, applies the filterings and the condition, join the tables if necessary, returns the final result of the user. This is the used to the execution level. So first level is a query processing. The query processing sets the syntax and the semantics of the SQL query, valid or the execution of the database. So first three part using the parser. First one SQL query, enter the parser, translator, optimization, execution engine used into the parser. So execution engine move to the query into the soft parsing and the hard parsing. So next parsing example. So select star from student. The parser of the database vary the query follow the correct SQL syntax rules and the proper use the select and from the keywords. It checks the semantic correctness by conforming to the student table actually is the database. The parser also valid the user permission and ensure the attributes of the query is the valid. Next one is a parse tree. The parse tree is a representing the semantic structure of a SQL query. According to the grammar rules in the SQL, it helps to the database understand the process of the query efficiently. SQL query such as a select from where etc. in the children refers to the components and experience of the construction. The parse tree is used to the query completion and optimization. Next, parse 2. Phase 2 is a query translation. The query translation parsed into the tree. The database convert the rational algebra expression, the formal system of the manipulated relation in the table. It is the help to relational algebra. It provides the mathematical unambiguous representation of the query that can be optimized and execute the efficiency of the database. So relational algebra, it is used to do the more than operation. The first operation is a selection, second operation is a projection, third operation is a Cartesian product, the fourth operation is a join, the next operation is a join, intersection and a difference. Uh, next relational algebra operation. So relational algebra operation include the common algebra operation. First one, selection, projection, join, user, intersection and difference. First, selection, choose the row satisfy the condition. Projection is used to choose the specific column. Join is used to combine the tables based on the matching attribute. Union used to combine the rows from the two tables. Intersection is used to rows on the both table. So next is a translation. Translation is a one example for the translation. So select name from student were greater than 20. So rational algebra uses the by symbol, name, bracket and then the selection age, student name. Explanation is the student with greater than 20 and project only the name in the column. Query optimization. So query optimization is the most efficient way to execute a SQL query from the multiple possible paths. So this is the purpose is reduce the execution time and the CPU and the disk usage. So full table scan and the use index the faster optimization fix the plan with the lowest cost. Next one is a need for optimization. So optimization is used to match a query from faster, then saves the CPU, memory and the disk input output. Next one is a handle large database is a efficiency, minimize the response time and the cost effective execution. Types of optimization. So two types of optimization. First one is role based optimization. Second one is a cost based optimization. So role based optimization is a predefined caricatures of rules to choose the execution plan. Example is a perform selection before join. So cost based optimization is a statistical and the estimations of the cost. So example of the full table scan and the index scan based on the table size. So optimization example. So optimization example here, employees table. The department is the selected name and salary with the salary sales. The query is retrieve the name and salary from the employee table in the sales department. Query evaluation. The query evaluation is the process of executing in the SQL query by following the steps. Query execution is provide the described result. The query, the SQL query is the first passed in a parse tree. Converting the relational algebra expression, optimize choose the most efficient execution plan. The DPMS execute the operation is a selection, projection, step by step. The final is returned to the user. So next one is the execution plan. Execution plan is the sequence of the operation in the table scan, index scan, joins and the sorting. The execution plan is a step-by-step roadmap. The database management system follows to the execute a SQL query efficiently. How tables are accessed, join or performed, the operation or the order. So operation is used, operator is used. More than operator is used to the DPMS. Already I will told selection, filter the rows from the condition, projection, specific color, join, combine the two table, union, intersection, difference, set the operation on the relation, short and order, arrange the rows. Aggregation is here, compute the function like role of indexing. So indexing improve the query performance by allowing the faster access to record without scanning the entire table. So index is used to database structure, improve the query performance and allow the database quickly allocated to the records without scanning the entire table. So one simple example for the index. So B-tree index the primary key enables the searching, indexing and the deletion operation. So one best example for the B-tree index. Cost estimation. So cost estimation is here. Consider the input output cost, CPU processing and the memory uses to help the choose the most efficiency plan and the lower cost. So next advantage of the query processing. So first advantage is the faster query execution. Second one is the efficient resource uses. Third one is the optimized performance, accurate result and cost effective. Finally, my conclusion is the query processing is a critical component of database management system execute accurately and efficiently. Query processing SQL query execute efficiently and accurately. It is used to the parsing, relational algebra, optimization and the execution plans to the improve the performance. Improve the improve the performance. The query processing is the efficient database performance. The optimizing the query to minimal resources, understanding the query helps to write the SQL is the better. Next one is the a critical part of the efficient is indexing. Think of it like an indexing in a book instead to reading every page. The DPMS is used to structure like a B tree to jump straight to the data is needed. For example, on the index on the department allows to find the all sales employee instantly. Every processing ensure that the SQL queries are executed accurately and was fast and possible to by using the parsing, algebra and smart optimization. The DPMS reduces the system load and save the valuable resources. This is what allows the large database to remaining fast even the thousands of the users. Thousands of the users. So one best to analyze the query processing like a kitchen. First step is a parsing is a reading the recipe. Optimization is the second plan. Correct. The planning the cooking test. Third one is the execution is cooking. Result is serving the dish to the customer. Thank you.